Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we can see how can we use our old Android phone as a CCTV. Let's start. First of all, go to the Play Store, install the IP webcam and then open it. Click on Video Preferences. Click on Video Recording. Click on the Save Videos to option. Here you need to select a folder or create a folder so that the recording will be saved there. Go back and click on Start Server. This will open the server and you can access the video remotely. You can see a URL on the mobile screen. Browse that URL where you can see a dashboard. From there you can control the mobile camera, you can hear audio, and record the videos. There are several other options. You can check and customize according to your need. You can record the video by clicking this red button. The recording will be saved in a folder that we selected previously. Thank you for your kind support. Have a great day.